Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore a very important question, that is, what is the concept of English? Once you understand the concept of English, then to learn English will become easy to grasp. So what exactly English as a language? What do I really need to understand before learning it? So let's explore. First, let's start with the basics. English is a language, okay? Now you need to understand what is a language. What is the language? Let's understand. A language is a system of words, rules to place the words in a proper order to make sense, and correct pronunciation of words that you use to share ideas, express feelings, and communicate with each other. So, when we talk about the concept of English, we mean the idea of English as a complete system of a communication. The four core elements of English. To understand English in itself, you need to know four main elements. First element is vocabulary. These are the words you use every day in your life, like book, think, happy or beautiful, and so many words you use. Vocabulary is the building block of every sentence. A group of words in a proper order will be a sentence that you use to write and speak. So when you become very much familiar with the common words and terminology in case of a specific field, then another second element is required, is the rule to arrange them in a sensible order, that is called grammar. Now what is grammar? Grammar is the set of rules that tell you how to arrange words so your sentence makes sense. For example, I am learning English. This is correct. Now, learning English is it correct? No, it is not in the proper order, so it does not make any sense, so it is not correct. Now the third element is required, is the pronunciation. Pronunciation is how you say the words so others can understand you clearly. For example, I read versus I have read, बोलेंगे तो गलत हो जाएगा, so I will say I have read, correct? So here this red is not red, which is the name of a color. So now the last element is communication skill. Now what is communication skill? The ability to express yourself. These are the ways you use English to communicate. Listening, speaking, reading and writing are the parts of it. So finally, in summary form, if I put the meaning of concept of English in simple words again, then I will put this way. If someone asks you what is the concept of English, here's a simple answer. English is a system of words, grammar, rules and sounds that people use to communicate ideas and emotions globally. That's it, nothing to feel confused about. Now I hope so. If you must have understood the concept of English, now you should be ready to start learning step by step. First you build your vocabulary, then learn basic grammar, practice speaking and listening every day regularly. So if you want help with all these steps, subscribe to this channel because I'll be sharing more simple lessons to make English easy for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have questions. I would love to help you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Thank you for watching, and remember, English is just a tool. You can master it with practice and the right guidance. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Happy learning.